Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys a lot of ways in order to get more storage on your iPhone and basically free up storage on your iPhone. So if you want to get more storage on your iPhone and just free up a lot of storage over your iPhone that you didn't even know you had, then in this video I'm going to show you that. The first thing we're going to do is head over to settings on our iPhone, just like this, and then head over into general and then click on iPhone storage. The first thing we are simply going to do is enable all of those recommendations. So we can currently see that I have two recommendations, however iCloud Photos is not set up on this phone, so that will not work. However, maybe you have like 3, 4, 5 recommendations of your iPhone basically itself, how you can literally just save a lot of storage. So what you're going to do is just enable all of those recommendations, such as offload unused apps. This will literally save me 9 gigabytes already. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is scroll a bit down and you will find all of these apps right here, which are using a lot of your storage basically. Now, what you're going to do is literally just go to any app you've not been using in a while. And what you can literally just do is click on offload app. Or what you can also simply do is look at any app that is using a shitload of storage, basically, for example, CapCut. What you can then simply check is how big is the app size and how big is actually my documents and data. We can literally see my documents and data as 3 times the entire app size. So for example on CapCut, but this will also work on YouTube, Spotify, all of those apps where you can download stuff basically, or where you can create stuff, it will literally just take up a lot of storage. So on Spotify, for example, just remove a lot of songs you're not listening to anymore. On CapCut, maybe remove some old projects. On YouTube, remove some old downloads and all those kind of things, or just clear up some cache. This can also be really easily done by clicking on offload app or by just reinstalling the app, and it will do the same. Now, once you've done that, what you're going to do is head over to photos, just like this, and then click on recent. And you want to just simply check all of the photos you have not been basically, which you don't need. Maybe you have a lot of screenshots that you don't need or a lot of long videos that you don't need. Just remove them. And what you can also do is go to albums right here and then on videos, and you will literally see all the videos you've been making on your device. And this will basically get a lot of storage over on your device. So make sure to just delete a lot of those longer videos because they will literally get so much storage over on your device. Now what you also want to make sure to do is scroll down even more and go into recently deleted, because when you head over into recently deleted, and when you delete a lot of photos and videos, they will still be on your device till you have actually removed them from recently deleted. So what you can let you just do is remove all of these just like this, then click on those 3 little dots at the bottom right, and then click on delete just like this and click on delete from all devices. And once you've done that, you are good to go. Now, once you've done that, what you can also do is go into settings just like this, scroll down till you find App Store. So let me quickly find App Store, guys, right here. Once you've done that, what you simply need to do is disable app downloads. This literally means it will automatically install free and paid apps purchased on all the devices. So for example, when you have an iPad, it will automatically install all of those apps on your iPhone as well. You definitely don't want that. Make sure to disable that. And you've probably already did this, but just make sure to enable offload unused apps. Now, once you've done that, what you can also just simply do is head over to Safari. So Safari should also be somewhere right here. Let me quickly find it right here. And once you've done that, what you can simply do is disable preload top hit. This will literally just cache a lot of your storage. So make sure to disable preload top hit. Once you've done that, what you're going to do is scroll down till you find clear history and website data. It will literally just clear the cache. So just do all of the history and click on clear history just like this. And then you should be good to go. Once you've done that, scroll down even more. Click on advanced right here. Click on website data. And once you've basically done that, you want to remove all of your website data. We can currently see I have no website data because I don't use this phone for searching basically. But if you have website data right here, you can just clear it up. Once you've done that, what you can also try to do is just remove the cache over your iPhone by just rebooting your phone. I would recommend going for a forced reboot. You can do this by going for the volume up button really quickly, then volume down, and then holding the power button till your entire phone is basically off. But keep holding till you see that Apple logo, and the second you see that Apple logo, you can let it go, and then you are basically having successfully started official force restart. So yeah, make sure to do that. Force restart will definitely help. And yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys right now. There are some easy ways in order to basically free up some storage over on your iPhone. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.